Ever pondered what truly captivates a woman's attention? Today, we're uncovering those 7 core qualities, turning the average man into an undeniable force. Prepare to delve deep. Let's get started. Number 1. A man who takes command. There's something undeniably magnetic about a man who takes charge. Men, when you step up, take the lead, and allow a woman to tap into her feminine side, that's when sparks fly. Think about it. Setting the pace in the relationship, making decisions, and simply laying out plans like, "I've booked us a table 8 o'clock. Be ready." It doesn't just show initiative. It's about showing dominance in a respectful manner. When the waters get rough and stress starts piling up, a real man says, "Don't sweat it, I've got this handled." This isn't about sidelining women or their decisions. It's about showing reliability. Women are often in search of a stronghold in a relationship, and a man who confidently leads provides that sense of security. Now, there's a debate out there about traditional roles and dynamics, and sure, not everyone fits the mold. But more often than not, a woman seeks stability and security in a relationship. And when a man steps up, it taps into that innate desire. Number 2, a man who can defend. I'm not talking about the guy looking for brawls every weekend night. It's not about showing off or being reckless. It's about instilling a sense of security. Women often harbor concerns about their safety, and there's a primal, deep-seated attraction towards a man who can shield them from harm. When you have the knowledge and skill to defend, it isn't just about the physical. It sends a message. If things go south, I've got you. You're safe with me. That's a powerful assurance. Every man should consider gaining these skills, not for the sake of showing off, but to provide that security. Enrolling in a boxing class or any martial art does more than just teach you to throw a punch. It builds resilience, fosters discipline, and solidifies your composure. Being confronted doesn't always lead to a physical altercation. Often it's about being grounded and assertive, knowing that if push comes to shove, you can stand your ground. And if you feel you lean more towards a gentler side, these disciplines can ignite that fierce, protective masculine energy within. It's transformative and, without a doubt, a game changer. Number 3. A man who stands by her side. There's an unspoken understanding every man should have. If someone disrespects the woman you're with, it's a direct affront to you. It's not about looking for confrontations or being the overly possessive, domineering type. It's about respect. It's about drawing a line in the sand and making it clear, cross this and you'll answer to me. Imagine the scene. You're out, and someone throws an inappropriate comment her way. It's not always about escalating to conflict, but it is about stepping up and saying, "That's not cool." Many times, women find themselves in situations where remarks cross the line, and they glance towards their partner, hoping for some form of intervention. The sinking feeling of disappointment when their man stays silent is palpable. True masculinity understands this. A real man has an innate protective instinct that goes beyond physical protection. He knows when to raise his voice in defense of the one he's with, ensuring she feels valued and safe. And believe me, this unwavering stance, it's something women deeply admire and respect. Number 4. A man that is not afraid to get his hands dirty. Let's get to the core of it. There's something inherently rugged about a man who can get down and gritty. It's not just about the technical know-how of fixing cars or setting up a home theater. It's about the willingness to dive in headfirst to tackle challenges hands-on. Picture this. A pipe bursts, and while many might fumble and panic, the masculine man says, "I got this." He may not have all the answers, but he's willing to get under the sink to wrestle with the issue and to give it his best shot. And women, they notice. You might laugh thinking of those classic cliché scenes in movies where the guy turns up to fix the plumbing. But let's break that down. Why is that image so enduring? Because it taps into a raw, primal attraction to capability, to resourcefulness, and to resilience. Just as men may be drawn to the nurturing and caring sides of femininity, like the woman who cooks a heartfelt meal or offers a comforting touch, women are magnetized by the rugged aspects of masculinity. It's a dance of yin and yang. And within that dance, confidence emerges as a cornerstone, a quality that sets the tone for genuine masculine appeal. Number 5, unwavering honesty. Gentlemen, honesty isn't just a virtue, it's a mark of masculinity. It's not about sugarcoating, but standing tall and delivering the truth, even when it's tough. When she asks about her outfit, resist that urge to merely appease. Instead, choose candor. Of course, there's a line between being honest and being hurtful. Navigate it with tact and respect. Too many men dance around the truth, worried about stepping on toes. But a masculine man understands that genuine honesty only fortifies a bond. If she's seeking your opinion, provide it without embellishment. It might catch her off guard initially, but deep down that transparency will resonate. Remember, it's about being forthright without being callous. Speak your truth, gentlemen. It defines true masculinity. Number 6. A man with a mission. Every genuine man understands one thing: purpose drives action. It's not about the flashy car, the paycheck, or even the title on the office door. It's about having a vision and relentlessly chasing it. Think about it. What's more attractive than a man burning with ambition, waking up every day with a fire in his belly to achieve his goals? Imagine two individuals. One, glued to his console, lost in virtual conquests, letting the prime of his life slip away in a dimly lit room. The other up at dawn, strategizing, pushing, relentlessly carving his path, be it aiming for that partnership in his firm or yearning for the freedom of remote work. Which do you think women gravitate towards? It's an age-old dynamic. Women admire men on their grind, not because of potential financial gain, but due to the sheer will and determination it showcases. A man with direction isn't just attractive to women. He's fulfilling an innate, age-old desire for purpose. Historically, men went to battle, forged empires, and marked their territory. That same drive persists, albeit in modern avatars. For those still searching for that spark, that mission, begin now. Not for the allure it holds for women, but for the soulful fulfillment it brings to you. List out your passions, your goals. Start with small steps. Build that roadmap. Your purpose awaits, and it's time you claimed it. Number 7. A guy who has masculine energy. True masculinity isn't a one-dimensional show of might. It's a balanced blend. A man's real strength isn't just flexed in his assertiveness, but also in moments of genuine compassion. It's the man who can command a room and in the same breath assist someone in need or shower affection on his pet. These aren't just actions. They're indicators of depth and character. While raw power can be captivating, it's the combination of strength with kindness that genuinely stands out. This harmony speaks of a man who understands that real power comes from knowing when to lead and when to nurture. So, gentlemen, as you tread the path of masculinity, remember to strike that balance. Embrace both your might and your heart and let them define you. It's not just about being strong, it's about being human. Dive deep into this authentic blend and you'll truly understand the essence of manhood. Cheers until next time.
You can't hold me down.